म्हाका खात्री आसा आमची स्ट्रेंथ जी आसा एट प्रेझेंट भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे 17, गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे 3 आनी इंडिपेंडंट 3 अशें मेळून 23ची स्ट्रेंथ विधानसभेंतली आमच्या बरोबर आसा. पूर्ण बहुमत आमच्या कडेन आसा. बाब राजेश पाटणेकर फाल्यां जे इलेक्शन आसा 11:30 वरांचेर डेफिनेटली भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो स्पीकर म्हणून राजेश पाटणेकर हे जिखून येतले. सुदीन ढवळीकरान सरकारांतलो सपोर्ट अजून काडूंक ना असो म्हटला तेणी. तो त्या खातीर तो ताका प्रश्न विचारपाचो तुमी.
I expect him to win with more than 23.
Congress has contacted you for the support for the speaker post.
No. Congress had contested me for other things, not for the speaker. and I am not available. I told them. I have announced through your medium, and I have told them privately also that we are part of the NDA. We are not changing our stance. Was my stance when I went for the first meeting, when Mr. Manohar Parrikar was alive, and he was the chief minister. My stand remains the same till now.
I would request all my MLAs and all my well-wishers.
Will you also convince your son to vote for you? Vijay Rane.
He is one of the opposition members. So I would request all the opposition members to vote for me. In another 2 years, I will be completing 50 years in the legislature.
एक मतान युनिमोसली आमच्या पार्टीन जे आता CLP जाली उपरांत आमी एज अ सिनियर मेंबर आनी एक्स स्पीकर एक्स CM आनी जांकां 50 वर्सां जायत येयल्ली आसा राजकारणात तेंचे नांव आमी सगळ्यांनी युनिमोसली आमी हें केल्लें आसा आनी आमी सगळ्या कडेन आमी सपोर्ट मागतले आनी म्हाका दिसता तेंच्या सारकी व्यक्ती जेन्ना स्पीकर पोस्टाचेर जेन्ना म्हणजे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आसा जाल्यार तेमी जेन्ना जे पद घेतलें आसा तेन्ना जस्टीस दिल्ली आसा अनुभव आसा वास्ट अनुभव आसा आनी ताका लागून तेंच्या नांवाचेर सगळ्यांची सहमती आसतली.
Congress party wants to send a clear message across the state that party has taken this election very seriously. आणि म्हणून प्रताप सिंग राणा सारको मनीस स्पिकराच्या इलेक्शनाक उबो रावता. Itself is a message across the state.
तेंका दिवूं जाय कायद्यान तशें.
Will you ask BJP to withdraw because
will you ask
he has fan following across BJP also?
सपोर्ट आमी सगळ्यांचेच मागतले जशें आमी आतां कॅन्डिडेटांनी स्वता खूद सांगलेलें आसा आनी आमी म्हणटा सपोर्ट आमी एज अ सिनियर मेंबर आमचे कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून आसात तांचो सगळ्यांक सपोर्ट करचो ही आमी अपील करता.
Sir, do you lost any elections in your political career?
No. So far, I have not lost any election. That's why I was requesting my members that we are still short of some members and we are not in the ruling party. Therefore, they must think that they were all unanimous of the view that I should stand for elections. And once I have been a speaker earlier, and I have played a very neutral role. Once you are a speaker, you don't belong to any party. And therefore, it's up to the legislators and their thinking. And I hope that I request, since I have been put up by the Indian National Congress, once I have become a speaker, I belong to the House and an independent person. And whatever the decisions to be taken, I would take them independently. Without any favor.